Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create animated GIFs in Canva. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for canva.com. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this web page. Here, all of your recent projects will be displayed. Now, get to the search bar and then search for GIFs. You can see that a bunch of search results are being displayed on my screen. Simply select any one of them and click on Customize this template. After that, delete all of the material inside it and let's start from scratch. First, get to the Elements section at top left corner and then search for an element. I will search for a dog. Now, make sure you are either in the Graphics section or the Video section. Here, look for the elements you would like to add and then drag it onto the canvas. Just like that, add all of the required elements and place them according to your preference. Once done, click on the Share button at top right corner, select Download, and then make sure to choose GIF from the File Type menu. After that, click on the Download button, and that's it. So that's basically how you can create animated GIFs in Canva. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.